might be the one time I'm speechless.
Welcome to Halfass Radiator Edition and Beard Edition.
Beard?
Beer, yeah. Always, it's always Beer Edition.
Oh, beer.
Thank you for having me over. This is beautiful abode, like a real garage, like I fucking need. And we're gonna bang this out. We're gonna put a radiator in this slut, and we just want to get it done and over with. So, watch along.
Stop that. Bring it back. This shit is hot.
Little update, as you saw with the time lapse. Mike just took out the radiator. Well, those two did. I stood there and pretended to get dirty. You drink that whole beer, you deserve it. I need to figure out the other fittings for that. We're gonna figure that out right now, and we're gonna throw that new one in the car. All right. Thank you for your occupation. Appreciate it. Blackall, thank you so much. I think it's
Beer 30.
it's about beer 30, and it's going to be coming up on 420.
Patriots.
Yep, Patriots. So, yeah. Gonna do an oil change because I definitely need one at this point. There's less oil in it. And I am going to top off the transmission fluid because the tran cooler was in it and etc. Obviously gonna do that. Do I dare look at this?
No.
No? Okay, I'll leave that alone. No, I'm gonna do some maintenance to this now. I like to get an air filter, some new spark plugs.
Wires,
Yeah, plugs, wires.
coils.
It's got 100 and it just hit 190. So,
So you need plugs, wires, coils.
that's a lot of money.
Not really.
That's true. It's worth it. 6 liters of Fury. Yeah, buddy. So, new radiator. I am going to do an electric fan conversion. Blackall mentioned it, and it's definitely something I've wanted to do anyway. So I'll do an electric fan conversion, just probably 2 fans. I could probably find an intake on fucking line for short money on this thing, can't I?
Probably.
Yeah.
Probably not. For like $120 or something.
Like a real, actual one, you think?
Yeah.
Like where it sits? It's true. I can. I just need to build from the MAF right here, just a cone filter with a plastic case around it. I can just put a K&N in the factory one and just leave fucking well enough alone.
Yeah. You can do that.
But with this stupid thing, you don't hear cool choo-choo noises. You don't hear like the motor. But the 6 liter sounds crazy anyway, so. I don't know. We'll see what I want to spend on it. Right now, I'm going to do shocks are the fucking #1 priority. So now that the radiator's done, shocks are next. I'm going to do, it had mag ride and air ride. I'm going to do the mag ride delete, but keep the air ride in the back and use a manual, I'm not going to call it a manual pump, but a manual valve, thank you, to go ahead and pump it up manually with like a little 12-volt compressor in the back. So, yeah, stay tuned for more of this. Beautiful, glorious, it still has containers underneath it full of fluid, Denali. I almost forgot. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe.
Go fuck yourself.
You talking to me or them?
Yeah.
Well, there you go. Talk shit to Black All. But yeah, I want to keep doing content. We're going to be doing something cool. The Porsche is almost done, as you saw in the last episode. We got her to fire up, but she actually is done, so I'll be going through that. But yeah. That guy right there, that's the button, subscribe.
Time for me to act.